How to be happy in 90 seconds? Okay, here's some of what we know from research. Genes play a role, but statistically speaking, genes are only half the story. And money helps, but only to a point. Around middle-class levels of income, more money doesn't bring more happiness. And of course, having people who care for us and for whom we care contributes to our happiness and to theirs. But what we do, and especially why we do it, have also been shown to play a leading role in our happiness. What's more, there are skills we can learn to foster it. One thing we can learn, besides just enjoying the moment, is how to be present rather than distracted. There's a space of time between our emotional response and how we react in words and actions. Through meditation and other techniques, we can learn to widen that time so that we can focus on what matters. We can also learn to structure future activities that lead to happiness. One way is to set up enjoyable yet challenging activities. Another is, when buying things, to focus on experiential purchases, like going to a sporting event or theater or outdoor activity, more than on material purchases, like unnecessary gadgets. With life decisions, emphasize the human experience of yourself and others, rather than just social status, appearances, and self-image. We can also learn how to interpret the past in ways that foster happiness. Happy people do not only focus on the positives in life, they also account for life's negatives, although with an optimal balance of positives to negatives. Also, the themes in their life stories emphasize activities about engaging in meaningful experiences, rather than social status and self-image. Happiness is about what we do and especially why we do it. Happiness is primarily about doing things for the purpose of good experiences for oneself and for others.